Hey, you remember when I made my first crypto video and I gave you my top 5 cryptocurrencies that will make you rich? It's 2 weeks after. So what do you think? On that list, I had heroes or zeros? Let's check it out. At that moment, we have the following prices and multiply by this number of coins. This is your total investment. So let's say if you bought it on that day, how much would that be today? Because we know market is going up, and I'm not giving you here any prediction, just the facts, man, just the facts. So based on today's prices on 8/16, this would be your new totals. So Shiba obviously went up, and it's on the way to remove 1 0. That's a big jump, and you are up about $50. Safe Moon had a moment when it was surging up, and then some whales start selling the billions of Safe Moon coins, so the price went a little bit down. But let's see, today, so far so good, on the way to 1 million. Average. Up $134. So think about this. If you invested here only $300 for these minor coins that I mentioned 2 weeks ago, you would have now $350. Now let's do this little more expensive. VeChain, one that's my favorite for in the long run. Based on China using it, it's gonna just explode. We also have 252% ROI. So you can see that it's about 250. That's average probably for all these coins and for the market. Finally, the one that's gonna change it all by the end of the year, probably it's gonna be $200. When I mentioned it 2 weeks ago, it was $1.32. If you miss buying it, right now it's about $2. Don't sleep on it. 214. So how do you like it? So far, with only 2 weeks after, we are up 253%. Amazing. And like I said, it was enough just to get these first 3 coins. And it's still not late. Look at these prices. It's still not late. You still can put $100 in it. Only 100. Charles Hoskins, creator of Cardano, said by the end of the year our price is gonna be $250. You getting in with $2 price? What's the problem there? So you're gonna say now, easy Vegas, easy. It's easy to talk shit in a video. How about you put your money when you're what's the saying? Put your money in your mouth. But how many of these coins you have? Let me tell you honestly, I have them all. Yep. Well, let's see. How many of these coins do I have? Here we go. I'm going to use my trusty phone app to show you. Here, Shiba, Safe Moon, Everrise, VeChain, and Cardano. How much is that in today's money? Let's see. So let's see how much I paid for it and what is it worth today. So I have a 50 million of Shiba Inu So I paid $442. Safe Moon. I have 100 million Safe Moon, and I paid $270, which gives me negative $113. What happened? I said many whales dumped it in billions. So normally price went down, but I hope it's going to recover. Rise. I have like 2 billion coins, and I paid $128 immediately. As you can see, I'm down $20. But here's now one that I like a lot. I have 2,000 wet coins, and I paid $280. So again, down $7. And Cardano, I have 1,000, and I paid $1,378. And that one is $700 up. So you can say, well, you're really not making money on your predictions. I have 600 profit, which is 226 ROI.
Now you tell me, did you miss the train? That's it.